All the years of love, what should he love most loyally? I'm he whom naught can move, nor for anything repenteth he. If I have served without rewards above 100 guerdons, I await in fee. So I sing most frequently, no ill that I may prove defends my heart from thee. No ill that I may prove defends my heart from thee. No ill that I may prove defends my heart from thee. She teach me my sweet lady love's art. Before I knew how to listen, Lily, I never thought on it in my heart. My heart let itself take fire freely, nor could it from her depart. Well, may I swear and prove I never saw that which is hers to love. No ill that I might prove defends my heart from thee. Prove